really scared, Nicole. All right, all right.
You did it, Brandy.
He's really scared because he's hiding. It's all right. Come here. Come here. It is okay. You know what? Does she want to be up there? He's getting that too. Like he got dentures. His lip twitching.
What?
It's alright. It's okay. Alright. My poor baby. He's